you as an eBusiness customer. First and foremost, we're continuing to do updates to eBusiness Suite itself. We're organically developing new features and functions and UI improvement just like we always have. Along with that, of course, we have a cloud set of applications, cloud ERP and supply chain and so forth. And so one idea is you could transform what you're doing on eBusiness Suite off of eBusiness Suite and onto that product line. That's what the SOAR program is about. If you want to do a transformational move, that is something that, if it makes sense to you, you can do. What I'm talking about in the rest of this session is what you do except for that, which is to say you're continuing to run on eBusiness Suite. So now what? There's actually many things in that cloud product line that make sense to run around your eBusiness Suite environment. Not changing to it, but running around it. So we'll talk about some of those examples. The other investment we're making that's cloud related is our cloud infrastructure. So there's advantages in running your eBusiness Suite on top of our cloud infrastructure and our database as a service, because that gives you some cloud economics underneath your eBusiness Suite. It's still eBusiness Suite. It's still the customizations, the integrations, the users are trained and all of that, but you could run it on cloud infrastructure and subscribe to database licensing and subscribe to hardware rather than having to buy capital expense for that. So those are the two big ideas around cloud that are kind of separate, but either of them or both of them might be valid in your situation. What the overall picture is, though, is that from your point of view, all of this represents what Oracle is doing for you as an eBusiness Suite customer. Advancing eBusiness Suite, making some of the SaaS applications that can work around your eBusiness Suite, and producing platform investments that will help you run your eBusiness Suite for less with our cloud infrastructure. Okay, so that's kind of conceptually how this all fits together. Because it would be, you have a cloud conversation, you have to think, which of the cloud conversations am I having? Am I having the infrastructure conversation? Am I having this hybrid coexistence conversation? Or am I having a transform and replace and re-implement on the SaaS product line conversation? Those are really three different conversations. So always be sure you know which one of those you're having. Okay, let's talk about